So if you see here, we have the system given. Coming to the solution, I'm going to solution. LTI system is represented by differential equation. LTI system is represented by differential equation. So you can see equation is relating input and output. Y of t is output, x of t is input. Equation is relating input and output. I will take this as equation 1. I will take this as equation 1. We have to find natural response. We have to find natural response where input is 0 and initial condition will exist. Initial condition exists. This is the rule for natural response. For finding natural response, rule is input is 0, initial conditions exist. Okay. So what I will do, I will just take it as d square y of t by dt square. I will take the equation as it is. 5 times dy of t by dt plus 6 times y of t, 6 times y of t equal to dx of t by dt plus 4 times x of t. Okay. So what I will do, I will write this as d square, okay, plus 5 times d plus 6. Commonly, I will write this y of t and RHS, okay, RHS, this is equation 1 already. RHS I will take 0 because input is 0 for finding natural response or homogeneous solution. For finding natural response or homogeneous solution, input equal to 0. Okay, that's why RHS is completely x of t, differentiation of x of t. I am putting input is 0, x of t. Okay, also what I am doing is d means d by dt. Okay, so d square means d square by dt square. I am writing as d square. Okay, like that I have got this equation. Let this be equation 1a. Let this be equation 1a. Now find the roots for equation 1a. Find the roots for equation 1a. D plus 3 into d plus 2. If you write d plus 3, d plus 2. How I am writing this is d square plus 5d plus 6 equal to 0. D square plus 3d plus 2d plus 6 equal to 0. If you take d common, it is d plus 3. If you take 2 common, it is d plus 3. So if you take d plus 3 common, the remaining terms will be d plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So this is the thing I am applying directly here. I am applying directly equal to 0. Now d value is nothing but minus 3 comma minus 2. D value is nothing but minus 3 comma minus 2. So what I can write, homogeneous solution. Homogeneous solution is nothing but C1 e power minus 3t plus C2 e power minus 2t. Okay, let this be equation 2 and here C1 comma C2 are constants I am assuming. Constants I am assuming. Now we have to find C1 and C2 values using the initial conditions. Using the initial conditions. In the question, initial conditions are given. In the question, initial conditions are given. I have yh of t. I have yh of t. Okay. I will just differentiate this. I will just differentiate this with respect to t. I am differentiating this with respect to t. Okay. So this will become minus 3 c1 e power minus 3t minus 2 c2 e power minus 2t. And let this be equation 2a. Okay, differentiation of equation 2, I am writing 2a. Differentiation of equation 2, I am writing 2a. Okay, minus 3c1 e power minus 3 minus 3t minus 2c2 e power minus 2t. Okay, 2 and 2a are the equations. 2 and 2a are the equations. What I will do, I will just substitute the given initial conditions when t equal to 0. In equation 2, if I put t equal to 0, then the entire RHS value equal to 3. Entire RHS value equal to 3. Okay. So what I will do in equation 2, I will put t equal to 0. Equation 2, I will put t equal to 0. Okay. Now already I have YH of 0, C1 e power 0, C2 e power 0, and the value in the previous, in the initial condition, value given in the initial condition is 3. Value given in the initial condition is 3, and I am putting e power, t value is 0, so e power 0, t value is 0, so e power 0. Okay, C1 e power 0 plus C2 e power 0, LHS is YH of 0, LHS is YH of 0, and the value will be equal to 3. Okay, value will be equal to 3. Just I will write that equal to 3. This is from equation 2. This is from equation 2. Now from equation 2a, from equation 2a, you have to put t equal to 0. You have to put t equal to 0. So d by dt yh of 0. d by dt yh of 0. Then minus 3 c1 e power 0 minus 2 c2 e power 0 will come. Okay. So what I will do, I have to put value as 0. d by dt yh of 0 is nothing but minus 3 c1 e power 0 minus 2 c2 e power 0, and the initial condition is given in the question. Value is 0. Okay, d by dt y of 0 plus value is 0. So that I will substitute here. Value is 0. That I will substitute here. Now we have, and this is from equation 2a. This is from equation 2a. We have to solve these two equations, two unknown variables, c1, c2, two unknown variables, two equations. We have to get the value for c1 and c2. Okay. What I will do, multiply equation 2 with minus 2. Multiply equation 2 with minus 2. What will happen? Minus 2c1, okay, e power 0. Then minus 2c2 e power 0 equal to 3 into minus 2 will become minus 6. This is from equation 2 into, I am multiplying with minus 2. Okay. Now 2a as it is I will write. 2a as it is I will write. It is minus 3c1 e power 0 value is 1 minus 2c2 and it is equal to 0. Okay, this is equation 2a. Now I am going to solve it. Now I am going to solve the two equations. Now if you subtract, the second equation will have sign changes. If you subtract, second equation will have sign changes. So minus 2 plus 3 will become plus 1 c, and here it is minus 6. If you put it in one of the equation, I will put this in equation 2a. Okay, using in equation 2a value of c1 as minus 6. Value of c1 as minus 6. What will happen? Minus 3 minus 6 minus 2c2 equal to 0. So minus 2c2 is nothing but plus 18. c2 value is minus 9. Okay. So c1 value we got minus 6. c2 value is minus 9. If you see equation 2, this is our homogeneous equation. Equation 2 is our homogeneous equation. Substitute the value of c1, c2 here. Substitute the value of c1, c2 here. Okay. So using c1 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 9 in equation 2, our homogeneous solution is nothing but c1, okay, e power c1 e power minus 3t, c1 e power minus 3t, c2 e power minus 2t. Okay, this is the output homogeneous solution or natural response. This is the output natural response or homogeneous solution, natural response or homogeneous solution for the given system. Natural response or homogeneous solution for the given system. Okay. The given system is like this. Initial conditions are given. Everywhere we have taken input 0. Initial conditions exist. We have used it in the calculation. Initial condition we have used it in the calculation, so it exists. Inputs we have made 0, so it is called natural response. So it is called natural response of the given system.